Welcome to RHS Inside News, February 6, 2012. Today at Rockford Health System's Women's Center, President and CEO Gary Kotz proudly introduced a new partnership for women's health with Dr. Sandy Goldberg, the founder of A Silver Lining Foundation. Sandy, a breast cancer survivor, spoke about the organization she founded over 10 years ago and what A Silver Lining Foundation will bring to women in the Rockford community.
I am thrilled beyond words to be here today as we announce the expansion of a Silver Lining Foundation's Buy a Mama Mammogram to Rockford. We'll provide mammograms, screening mammograms, diagnostic mammograms, ultrasounds, and breast biopsies for women who are uninsured and underinsured.
Helen Brooks of the Rockford Memorial Development Foundation announced the recipient of this year's gala fundraiser and shared some of the history of the foundation's support for mammograms.
Each year the foundation selects an area that we're going to raise money for, and we are so excited that this year, in 2012, we are raising money to support the Women's Center and the excellent care delivered here. And one of the ways that we raise money is through our annual gala. On May 19th at Giovanni's, Rockford Health Gala 13, this one's for the girls. We're so excited that all of those proceeds are going to benefit the Women's Center, and part of what we're going to do with the proceeds we raise this year is provide seed money for this wonderful partnership with Dr. Sandy and a Silver Lining Foundation. The foundation has actually funded a free mammogram program since 2006 through the generosity of a single donor. Her name is Ann Armstrong. And I spoke to Ann a couple weeks ago, told her about this partnership, and she was absolutely delighted, because what this means is that the philosophy of free mammograms can now be expanded. More women can have access to free mammograms, and it can be sustained long-term through this partnership of fundraising and awareness and access.
Now, people have said to me in Silver Lining, you started with one program, we started with one donor, one $2,500 donation. And from that, we now have 4 programs, and we're helping, thousands of women every year. There's a philosophy that I believe in, I know Helen does as well, and all of us in this room to some extent do, and the philosophy is leap and a net will appear. We know everything that we have done at Silver Lining is based on the fact that people are good. People want to help. People want to be engaged. We have women that have nothing, that have come to us afterwards and have said, "Can I volunteer? I can't afford the cost of a mammogram, but I will give you $25. Do you know what that means?" And because of that, we know that certainly with the seed money from the foundation, we know that the goodness, the continuing goodness of people in the community, in the Rockford community, as with the communities that we are in Chicago, that our net is there, and our net will continue to be there.
Dr. Fred Church, Medical Director of the Women's Center, explained about our digital mammography screening, which only Rockford Health System can provide to patients of the Women's Center.
In addition to our new digital mammography equipment, which was just purchased several months ago and is working presently, all our patients get digital mammography, and we are in the process of purchasing, and we actually have purchased, we'll be putting it in shortly, tomosynthesis software, which will actually give us a 3-dimensional picture of the breast, in addition to the screening mammograms.
If you are a woman who is uninsured and feel you may qualify for a free mammogram, please call A Silver Lining Foundation at 312-345-1322. Or if you would like more information on Gala 13, this one's for the girls, please contact the Rockford Memorial Development Foundation at 815-971-4141. Thank you for watching this edition of Rockford Health System Inside News, February 6, 2012.